Hi guys, welcome back to the channel Achieving Online Freedom. In this video today, I'll be showing you how to delete multiple posts on Instagram. So let's go ahead and get right into the video. The first thing you need to do is to open up the Instagram app. Once you have done this, you want to go ahead and click on your profile in the bottom right corner of the screen. Once you're here, I'll just go ahead and let you know that you cannot delete multiple posts at the same time or delete them all at once without some kind of third-party app. You have to delete your posts one at a time. You can do this by clicking on any of your posts that you have right now, clicking on the three dots in the top right corner, and clicking delete. You can also archive it so it won't appear on your actual profile. But if you don't want to do that, you could also just make a brand new Instagram account, but you can't delete multiple posts at once unless you want to use a third-party app. Hope this video helped. If it did, please make sure to like and subscribe. It helps out the channel a lot, and I will see you in the next video.